In today's video, I'll show you how to create an inventory product in QuickBooks Online so you can track stock levels, product costs, and sales all in one place. If you sell physical products, setting up inventory items properly is important because it allows QuickBooks to automatically monitor how much stock you have and calculate the value of your inventory. Let's go through the process step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear in the top corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Settings menu. From there, select Products and Services. This section is where all your items are stored, including services, non-inventory items, and inventory products. Next, click the New button. You'll see several options appear. Choose Inventory, since we want to create a product that QuickBooks will track in stock. Now it's time to enter your product details. Start by typing the product name. This is the name that will appear on invoices and sales forms. If you use stock keeping numbers, you can also enter an SKU to make inventory tracking easier. You can also assign the item to a category if you want to organize products by type, such as electronics, clothing, or office supplies. Next, set up your inventory tracking information. Enter the initial quantity on hand, which is the number of items you currently have in stock. It's best to base this number on a physical count of your inventory. Then add the date for when this inventory count is accurate. This tells QuickBooks when to start tracking the item. You'll also see a field for the reorder point. This is the minimum quantity you want to keep in stock. When inventory drops below this level, QuickBooks can alert you so you know it's time to reorder. After that, choose the Inventory Asset account. This account keeps track of the value of your inventory inside your financial reports. Now move to the Sales Information section. Here you can enter a description that customers will see on invoices, along with the sales price for the item. You'll also select the Income account, which is used to track the revenue generated from selling this product. Next is the Purchasing Information area. This is where you enter the cost of the product and select the Expense account, which is usually the Cost of Goods Sold account. If you regularly purchase the item from a specific supplier, you can also enter your preferred vendor. Once all the information looks correct, click Save and Close. Your inventory product will now appear in the Products and Services list, and QuickBooks will begin tracking stock levels automatically as you buy or sell the item. And that's how you create an inventory product in QuickBooks Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.